Hello everyone, welcome to session 17 of Software Testing Made Easy course. In this video session, we are going to continue with the live project, that is part 10 of the live project, where I am going to show you how to create the test cases for the logout functionality. So far, in the previous sessions, we already created the test cases for these two functionalities, guys. In the previous sessions itself, we already created the test cases for register functionality and login functionality. Now, in this session, I am going to show you how to create the test case for the next functionality, that is logout functionality, guys. So let's get started. So here, let's first open the test cases document, guys. This is a test cases document that we are updating. So let's open this test cases. This is a test case document, guys. As you can see, we already created the test case for register functionality and the login functionality. Now we need to create the test case for the next functionality, that is logout. So what we'll do is we'll copy this login sheet. So right click on this login sheet and say move or copy, and select this move to end and select create a copy. A copy of this login will be created at the end of the sheets. Say okay. You see a copy is created for this login sheet. So right click, rename here, name it as logout, guys. Okay, let's name this as logout because we want to create all the test cases for logout in this particular sheet. So clear all the stuff. Okay, these are not required. Now here we need to provide some ID, guys. Test case ID tc underscore. What kind of code we can provide for the logout? Okay, here for register we provide rf, and for login we provided lf. Okay, but for logout, let's use something like yellow, guys. Okay, logout or lg log out. Okay, whatever feels lg or something. And here 001, the first test case. And test scenario, if you are talking about the test scenario, guys, if you remember in one of the sessions we created this test scenarios document. Let's open this test scenarios. So it has to open, guys. It will take some time to open. Yeah, it got opened here, as you can see. So we already created the test cases for the first test scenario, that is register account functionality scenario. 26 test cases were created for the register functionality, which I explained in the how to create. I explained in the previous sessions. And in the previous session itself, we created the test cases for the this login functionality test scenario. So as part of that, we created 23 test cases for this login functionality test scenario, guys. Right. So I'll also mark it as completed. Now let's move to the next. Okay. Now let's move to the next one. This one, third test scenario, which is talking about the logout functionality. Okay, logout functionality. Now let's start creating the test cases. So this is ts003, right? So what we can write in the test case document is ts underscore test scenario reference is ts underscore 003, and here we can put that in the brackets, and I'll say alt enter to go to the new line, and here I'll write logout functionality. Fine, logout functionality done. Here let's start creating the test cases, guys. We need to provide the test case title and all those stuff, as you already know. So what I did before recording this session is I already came up with some ideas for this logout case. Okay, I already have noted down all the ideas of the test cases that we need to write them for login. These are all the ideas, guys. Okay, using these ideas we are going to convert these ideas into the test cases here. So let's start with a very basic thing, like whether this logout is working or not. How to check that? So here let's open the application URL, guys, tutorialsninja.com/demo, and click on login, and let's log in into the application. Let's say Arun Motori 3 1 2 3 4 5 and login. Okay, we got successfully logged in. Now click on this my account and select. You see how to log out, guys. How to log out? The very basic step is like after you got logged in, then you need to click on this logout. Okay, you need to click on this logout, guys. You need to click on this my account and select this logout option from the my account. Right, this is the basic step. And when you do so, this kind of page should come, guys. A logout, you should be taken to the logout page. You see there is a page like logout page also. Okay, so we'll also note down. Okay, we're verifying another idea we got, guys. Okay, verifying for this application logout page is there, so we'll verify this logout page also. Okay, done. So here logout page is there. We'll verify all the things on this logout page and click on the continue. Once you click on, You see here, you have been logged off from your account. It's already getting displayed. That means you already got logged out. You see, when you click on the logout, you see login option is coming. That means you already logged out. It's a confirm. It's actually kind of message kind of thing, guys, for the user to tell that you already logged out. Okay, and it is now safe to leave the computer. Your shopping cart have been saved. The items it will be restored whenever you log in. That's fine. This is a normal message. You don't have to worry much. Just click on the continue button, guys. When you click on the continue button, to which page you are taken to? This is a home page, guys. Okay, this is a home page of the application you are taken to. So this is a scenario, guys, that we need to write as a test case. Okay, verify logging out from the my account drop menu. So from the my account drop menu, you are going to log out. So let's convert that into a test case. So verify log logging out from the application. Uh, verify logging out. Verify logging out means application only, right? From by selecting which option, guys? Logout option from which menu? My account drop menu. Menu. Okay. My account drop menu. What are the prerequisites, guys? Okay. The prerequisites are, first of all, open the application. Open the application URL. Second prerequisite is, first prerequisite is open the application URL. Second prerequisite is already you have to log in. Okay. User is logged in already. User is logged in. These are the two prerequisites, guys. So that means here what I'm saying here is, as a prerequisite, I'm saying we have to open the application URL and the user has to be logged in. That means already these steps are done, guys. You don't have to perform these login steps again and again. Okay. So here we are. Okay. Before writing the test steps, before writing these test steps, we are already logged into the application. We are already logged into the application. Fine. Now we need to write the steps. How to write the test steps? Very simple, right? You have to click on this my account. You have to click on this my account and select this logout option. That's it. Click on my account drop menu and here select. So I can write that in a single step also, guys, just to make it look good, right? I'm just making it two steps. Select logout option. Okay. So here, is there any test data required? No test data is required. So not applicable. Test data is not applicable. Then what is the expected result, guys? Here we need to verify the expected result. Verify ER1. Verify expected result 1. That means here you have to write, once you select logout, what should happen? User should be taken to the account logout page. User should be taken to the which page? Account logout page. User should be taken to account logout page. This is the first expected result. Then after this, we'll continue, guys. Okay. So what will continue? We are not going to verify this what is there on this page, guys, for now. Okay. It's not. We'll be checking that as part of a verify logout page functionality. For now, we'll simply click on the continue button, guys. Okay. We'll simply go with the flow only for now. Click on continue button. Okay. Click on continue button. Then here verify ER2 expected result 2. What is the expected result 2? Expected result 2 is when you click on the continue button, user should be navigated to the. There's one more thing we have to write, guys. Okay, before actually here, guys, user should be taken to the account logout page and and so once you got taken to this and you can see and you have to verify that here logout option should not be there. Instead, here logout should not be there in the my account page. Okay, and user should see login option in place of logout under the my account drop menu. Okay, under the my account drop menu, user should see the login instead of logout. Okay, in place of the logout, user should, after getting logged out, user should see the login. That's what I have written here. As part of the first verification, expected result verification, we have written like this. Second expected result is when once you click on the continue button, user should be taken to the, here ER2 is user should be taken to the which page? Home page, guys. Okay, it should be taken to the home page. Done, guys. Okay, the first test case is done. Now let's move to the next test case. So copy this, paste it here, and modify the number, guys, to 2. Copy this, put it here. Here we'll say TS same login functionality test scenario, right? So what is the next test case? This is done, guys. Okay, the first test case is done. We'll update it as green for now. The second test case is verify logging out from right column options. So here also, guys, we'll log into the application. Okay, now instead of logging out using this logout option of this my account, what we'll do is we'll log out from this option, right column option. These are the right column options, right? In the right column option, there is also a logout option. When you click on this logout, again you are taken to the same account logout page. Again, when you click on continue, okay, and here logout is not displayed, everything should be verified. So we'll do that again. Okay, so this time verify, very simple, copy paste, verify logging out by selecting logout option from here, this time from right column options. From the right column options, we have to select the logout option. The same predict sites, guys. Open the application URL. User is already logged in. Okay, till here already done. This is the predict site, guys. This is the predict site. User is already logged in. Then after the user is already logged in, here we need to click on logout option from the, click on, and let's and one more thing we have to write. User is logged in and is on which page? This account page, and is on account page. Then only you'll get these options. Okay, if you navigate to any other page, right, for example, if you navigate to this address book, also it's there, the basic books. But for example, if you navigate to this product display page, do you see any right column options? No, right? That's the problem. So let's stick to one of the page, that is, let's say user is in this account page. Okay, let's say user is in account page, then you will see this right column options. So user is logged in and is on the account page. This is a predict site. You click on the click on here we need to write the steps, guys. We have to remove this, and so once the user is on the account page, what we'll do, we'll click on the logout option. Click on logout option from the right column, from the right column. This is fine. Okay, from the right column, just click on the logout option. So here, once you click on the logout, what will happen? Once you click on the logout, what will happen? This page should come, and also here, in place of the logout, login should come. Those are the two things, right? That's expect result 1. So here again, the same verify ER1, we'll put here, verify expected result 1, and here also test data is not there. And let's come to this, and we'll copy this. Okay, same things will be there, guys. Same expected results. User should be taken to the account logout page, and user should be, you see login page, login option in place of the logout option under the my account drop menu. And here second expected results should be like here also you'll click on the continue button, and user should be taken to the home page, right? Let's try the second step. Click on, I'll copy this. Okay, same step. Done, guys. Okay, once you copy, it is done. Expected results are already written. Done. Now let's move to the next one. Next one is, so second test case is also done. Now let's move to the next one, that is verify login and close the browser. On opening the application, users should not get logged out. Okay, so what we are going to do is So we will log into the application. Log into the application. Simply after logging into the application, right, I will simply close the browser, guys, and again open the application. Again open the application URL. So here we got logged out, guys, but this should not happen. Okay, this should not happen, guys. We should not get logged out. So the session should be maintained. We have not really logged out, right? We simply close the browser and opened it. The session is gone. So that's the problem, guys. There is a defect in this application for sure. So what we are going to do is we'll for now create the test case anyhow. Okay. So third one, third test case, we have to give 3 here and verify closing the browser after logging into the application and opening the okay, verify the application login session status after closing the okay, application session status. Verify the application session status after logging and closing the browser without logging out. So at a high level, I'm giving the title, guys. I don't want to describe everything in a single test title. So partially I gave, but this is fine. Verify the application session status means how to verify. We have to open the application and then verify, right? After closing the browser, we have to verify. So here without logging out, we are closing the browser, right? So the session should be maintained, guys, when you again open the application. So here the same predict side. So the first test case, open the application URL. User is already logged in, right? This is the first one. Open the application URL, and here user is already logged in. These are the predict sites, guys. Okay. So fine, done. So now if you are in this position, and then here what we'll do is simply close the browser without logging out. Okay, without logging out, we are simply closing the browser, guys. Without logging out, we are simply closing the browser. Now again, open the browser and navigate to the application and navigate to the application again or application. Okay. So when you open the browser and navigate to the application again, what should be there? You should be already logged in, but it's not getting logged out, guys. Okay. So here verify ER1 expected result 1. So that is nothing but here data is not there, and here user login user session application session application should not get logged out. Instead the login session, okay, instead login session need to be maintained. Instead the user logged in session need to be maintained. Okay, like that. Hope you understood what I meant there, right? So let's go to the next test case. Fourth test case. We'll write the fourth test case here. Fourth test case, logout functionality. Done. What's the next test case, guys? Fourth test case. So okay, green completed, and this is the fourth test case. Verify logout and click on browser back button. We should not get logged in. Okay, what does it mean is we'll log in. Okay, we'll first log in. So here what we are going to do is we are simply logging out, and after getting logged out, simply pressing the back button, guys. You see, you are getting logged in. Once logged out, you should not get logged in, right? Simply by pressing the browser back button, you are allowed to log in without providing the credentials again. You are getting logged in, guys. That's a problem. That is a security issue, you can say. Okay. Let's say, let's say you are, you have logged in. Let's say you have logged in and simply logged out, right? Let's say other person is sitting beside you and you went for a tea or coffee or something, and then by the time you come, right, what the other person was doing is simply clicking the back button, and he was able to access your account. That's a problem, guys. Okay. Even though you logged out, even though you logged out, then in order to log in, we have to provide the credentials to log in, right? But the other person simply is pressing the back button. Okay. Other person don't know your credentials, but he is simply pressing the back button. You are taken to the login session. Okay. You are getting logged in automatically without the other person is able to log in without providing the credentials. It's a security issue, guys. Okay. This is a defect, guys. So here, verify, verify the verify logging out and browsing back. Logging out and verify logging out and browsing back. Simple title I gave here. Here I'll give the same predict sites. Open the application URL. User is logged in. So the predict sites are like user is already logged in. Okay. Then what we are going to do? These two steps. Okay. We want to log out, right? Click on the My Account drop menu and select the logout option. And now click on browser back button. Click on browser back button. Your test data is not applicable. What should here verify expect result one? What should be verified? Verify expect result one. What should be verified? I will explain. Okay. User should not get logged in. Should not get logged in. Okay. This is a expected result. So even though the user presses selects the browser, clicks the browser back button, user should not get logged in, guys. Okay. So that's the thing. Done. Now let's move to the next test case. The fifth one. Okay, so fourth one is done. Fifth one. So verify logout option is not available before you log in. That means, so when you simply open the application and you have not yet logged, you have simply opened the application URL, guys, and you have not yet logged in. You see, you have not yet logged in. So when you are not logged in, you should not see any logout option here. You see only register and login options are coming under the my account drop menu, but you are not seeing anywhere the logout option, right? That's the thing, guys. Okay, that's the test case. You are right. So before logging in, you should not see the logout option. Verify logout option is not displayed under my account. Verify logout option is not displayed under drop menu before logging in. Okay, like this. So here only the predict side will be open the application URL, guys, nothing much. We are not logged in yet. So now click on this one, my account drop menu, and verify. Very simple step, verify ER1. When you click on the my account drop menu, here what should be the expected result, guys? Expected result should be user, okay, or expected result should be logout option should not be displayed under my account drop menu, like this. Done. This is done, guys. Simple. Okay. Now next test case. So what is the next test case? This is done, guys. And while I am creating this particular test case, I got another idea, guys. I'll write down the idea. What is the idea? The idea is simple, guys. Here, if you go to any of these pages, before logging in, if you go to this login page or register page, guys, you will see some right column options, right? In these options also, this logout option should not be there. Before you log in, without logging in, if you check this right column options here, logout option should not be there, guys. That is another test case, right? for this application that is applicable. Verify, same guys, same kind of test case, but here at a different place. Verify logout option is not displayed under right column options before logging in. Okay, here we can write very same text is not available in right column options. Here is not available in my account drop menu, like this case. Okay, this test case we are creating the test case for. Okay, for this particular idea we are creating the test. Same thing as copy paste this predicts site, and here what we'll do, click on my account drop menu, and then select any of these options. Okay, select any of these options like register or login. Okay, select let's say register option. That's it. Now after selecting the register option, verify ER1. So once you select this register option, guys, so my before logging in, once you select this register option, you will be taken to the register account page, and here right column options are there. Right here, in the right column options, logout option should not be there. So we'll write that logout option should not be displayed in the right column. The right column. Logout option should not be displayed in the right column. Done. Next test case. 7 guys. 7th test case. Very simple test cases we are writing for this functionality, guys. These are very easy to understand, right? Now here we have the other set of test cases here. Verify whether you are navigating to a proper page on logout. Okay. Verify whether you are navigating to a proper page on logout. This is already covered, guys. Okay. You don't have to write a test case, separate test case for this, because as part of the expected result in the first test case itself, when you select the logout option, you are already verifying here whether you are navigating to a proper page or not. Should be according to this application, you have to navigate to the account logout page, right? Already you are verifying. So this test case is already documented, already created as part of the first test case itself. So it's already done. Now open the application at two places and log out from one place and see whether you are getting logged out from a different place also. What we are going to do here is, let's say here in the Chrome browser, guys, in the Chrome browser, we are logging in. Okay, we are logging in the Chrome browser. We already logged in. Similarly, I'll open the Firefox browser. The Firefox browser also. Let the Firefox browser open, guys. Yeah, it opened. The Firefox browser also will go to the application, and using the same account details, we'll log in here also. Okay, here using which account we logged in, amotori3@gmail.com. Here also using the same account details, amotori3@gmail.com. Here also with the same account details, we'll log in. Same password, login. We logged in here also, guys. Let's say I'm getting logged out in one of in the Chrome browser. I'm getting logged out. Okay, I logged out in the Chrome browser and click on the continue. Here it is already logged out. Now go to the Firefox browser and try to click on some password or something. So it's still allowing you, right? Here session is we already logged out the session in one of the browser, guys. But how can the session is maintained here, guys? That's the problem. Okay, this should not happen. Okay, this should not happen, guys. The application is not working fine. Once you log out in the same account you logged in here in the Chrome browser, the same account you logged in the Firefox. So if you log out in one of the browser, guys, the other browser session also should end, but that is not ending. Okay, there is a defect in this application, guys. There is a defect in the application which is not actually maintaining the session properly, guys. Session management is wrong here. When you log out from one browser for the same account, the same account should get logged out in another browser, guys. Okay, so when you try to perform any operations that need login, right, you should get redirected to the login page or some other. You should get logged out, guys. Okay, automatically, or it should say that you already logged out or something. Okay, so that is not happening. There is a defect in this case. but we'll be creating the test case for this. So it may not be only in the Chrome or Firefox browser, guys. It may be situations where this, let's say, in your machine in the Firefox browser, you got logged in with the account. The same account you logged in your mobile Chrome browser. Okay, in your mobile in the Chrome browser, in a separate device also, you logged in with the same account. If you log out from any of this place, either from the your laptop or from your mobile, the account should get logged out in both the places, guys. Okay, the account should get logged out in both the places. Fine. So that's what is the test case all about, guys. But there is a defect in this application, as you can already sense it. So verify. Okay, log out from an account after logging it from logging into it after logging into it from different places. From different places you are logging in, but so you are verifying, specifically you are verifying the logout from an account from a single place after logging into it from different places. So this is the title, guys. At a high level title is there. So here why this is coming? Okay, it's not required. Okay. So here, okay, what we have to do, we have to write something like this. Sorry. What is the prereq side, guys? Open the application URL. User is logged in. Uh, User is logged in. Let's say we'll take an example, guys. Okay, let's say user is logged in Chrome browser in your laptop. Chrome browser of your laptop. Another prereq is user is logged in with the same account of step 2 in your Firefox browser of your laptop, I will say instead, and in Chrome browser of your mobile device. Okay, this single test case, right? Everything will be covered, right? User is logged in Firefox browser of your laptop. User is logged in with the same account of step 2 in the Chrome browser of your mobile device. This is the predict site. Then click on, okay, click on my account drop menu in Firefox browser. Okay, the Firefox browser, my account drop menu, and here select logout option. Select logout option. So here application will get logged out from the Firefox browser from the step 2. Now what you will do is now click on, okay, perform any operation, say editing the say navigating to address book page in the Chrome browser of mobile device. Right here we'll verify expected result 1, guys. Okay, we'll verify the expected result 1. What should happen, guys? Here the expected result is user should be asked, user should be user should be logged out in mobile device 2 instead of getting navigated to the which page? Address book page. Right, like this. One of the functionality we are checking, guys. Okay, perform any operation which requires the user to log in, say in the Chrome browser of the mobile device, and you should be logged out in mobile device too instead of getting navigated to the address book page, like that. So that is the 7th test case. 8th test case we are going to write, guys. So 8th test case, what is that 8th test case? Verify login, logout and login with the same or different account. Yeah, mark it as completed first of all. And verify logout and login with the same or different account, guys. So what we have to do is very simple process, guys. First we have to log in. Okay. What is that? Okay. Verify logout and login. Okay. First we have to log in. In order to log out, we have to first log in, right? Let's say we have logged in already. The predict site we have already logged in. Now we'll simply say logout. And again, we'll try to log in. Immediately we'll try to log in, guys. Okay. Immediately we'll try to log in with the either same account details. We'll try to log in. Yeah, it's getting logged in. Or again, we'll log out. Okay. With a different account details also, we should be able to log in. Let's say I'll give some 5 here. Still we should be able to log in. Okay. So that's a very simple test case, guys. Sometimes what happens is when you log out and when you immediately try to log in, right, you will not be able to log in. To overcome that kind of to overcome missing such kind of problems in the application, right, we have to write this up test case. Verify logging out and logging, verify logging out and logging in immediately after logout. Okay. Immediately after logout, you have to immediately try to log in with the same or different account with the same or different. Okay. Otherwise, I will not write this. I will make the test case title generic, and here three sites will write. User is already logged in. So I'll say once the user is logged in, we'll write the steps to log out. So these are the steps to log out, right? I will copy the steps from here. So we'll log out from the application and we'll log in again with same or different account. Here now, log in immediately. Again with same or different account. Verify ER1. So user, same user or same account or different account should get logged in. Should get logged in. That's it. Okay. That is the expected result. Done, guys. So we are covering the extensive test cases, guys. Okay. So not everywhere you will see this much amount of test cases written for the login functionality. If you want your test cases to be like kind of extensive version, like all the scenarios are like all the possibilities are written, right? This is a perfect number of test case examples for you. Okay. Ninth one. What is the ninth test case? This is done, right? We'll update this. Update is as completed. Then UI, guys. These are the basics. Before going to the UI and all supported environments, we'll go with this last one. Verify logout page. Verify logout page. So once you log out, right, you are going to the logout page, right? Okay. Once you log out, you are taken to the logout page. So we have to verify the logout page. So how to verify this logout page has some. What do you have, guys? What does it have? It has some breadcrumb, it has some page heading, it has some page URL, it has some page title, and there is some UI of this page. Okay. So all the stuff, right? All the stuff we have to verify. So UI part will take separately, but verify logout page, we'll verify by this content, breadcrumb, then this URL, title, heading, like that. All the things will verify. So verify account logout page. Simple, very simple, straightforward page. Verify account login page. So for doing that, what we have to do? Open the application URL. User is logged in and user logs out. And user logs in and logs out. Okay. Once the user logs in and logs out, or else user is logged in, we can say, and we'll simulate the steps here. Click on my account drop menu and select logout option. Then we have to verify Okay. Now here, what we have to verify, guys? We have to verify. Check the. Here we'll say check the what we have to check, guys. We have to check the page heading, page title, page URL, and breadcrumb. Okay, breadcrumb of which page? Account logout page of the displayed account logout page. So verify ER1, expect result 1. Okay. So here, all these things. Okay. I'll add something here. Proper page heading, proper page title, page URL, and breadcrumb. Breadcrumb, guys, are displayed. Okay, are displayed for account logout page. This is expected result. So this is also done. So we are done with verify logout page also. Then the remaining things are like UI and all supported environments, guys. These are the high level checklist kind of things. So which these are the common things for all the functionalities. Not only logout, for also register or login, whatever the page is, whatever the functionality is. These are common. We have to check for everything. So what I'm going to do is, instead of writing from scratch, I will copy from the previous sessions. Okay, previous tab, previous test cases. So last two things will be verify the UI of the page and verify the this particular functionality and also these are the common test cases. So I'll copy this and paste it here. Simple. Okay, and we'll simply update it. So we'll drag here so that the numbers will be proper. 10 and 11 should come. Yeah, it came. So here logout functionality, we'll copy paste and verify the UI of the which page. Verify the UI of the logout option here. In this case, logout option and the account logout page. Account logout page. So here logout option is there at two places. One is in the my account drop menu and other one is at the right column options. That UI of that particular option should be verified, and at same time we have to verify the UI of this complete account login page. Whatever the account login page is there, the complete UI of this page should be verified, right? So now open the application URL. Open the application URL in any separate browser. Okay, so here we'll write like this. We'll select the we'll select the logout. Till here we'll write. Okay, so verify ER1 expected result 1. Verify expected result 1. Okay, done. Not applicable. And so here proper UI should be proper UI. There will be a separate UI checklist document, guys, that I will be showing you how to create that in the upcoming sessions. That UI checklist you have to use it for testing this particular test case, guys. Okay, proper UI proper UI othering to the othering. Okay, othering to the UI checklist. A separate checklist will be there. Okay, separate document, you can say separate Excel file or something. Okay, using which we can compare this. Okay, we can see whether the UI of these particular things are good or not. Should be displayed for all these things, right? Select logout option. Okay, so we have to verify proper UI othering to the UI should be displayed for logout option. Logout option. There are two options, right? My account drop menu option under my account drop menu and right column options. Right column and login logout account page. Logout. What is that page, guys? Other pages like account logout page. Yeah, account logout page. So this UI checklist should be checked for this logout option, which is there in the my account drop menu and right column options, and also in the account logout page. Done. So next test case, last test case also will update, verify this, okay, logout functionality in all the supported environments. We have to check. Open the this for this is this one, and okay. So I'll write the basic steps. That's it. Okay. Verify ER1. This logout functionality should work correctly in all the supported environments. Done, guys. These are the test cases, guys, and remaining columns we can simply remove them. Okay. Can simply remove the remaining columns. So we already got this many columns, this many test cases, 12 test cases, 11 test cases we got. You see the number is 11 test cases. So what we can do is like we can save this test case, and we can go to the test scenarios document. And this is the third test scenario, guys, which is talking about the working of the logout functionality, where how many test cases we created? 11 test cases. We created 11 test cases for this logout functionality. Done, guys. So we can save this one also, and let's close the test case document and the test scenarios document. So hope, guys, you understood how to create the test cases for the logout functionality. So in the next session, we'll create test cases for some other functionality. Okay. So that's it, guys. See you in the next session. Bye.